I'm going to be breaking down actually a popular TikTok challenge. It's called a dash challenge. The reason why I'm choosing to do this is because in the past in our dance class we've talked about isolation. And isolation, just to remind you, is when you move one part of the body and everything else stays still. And it's one of the foundations for hip hop. So you see a lot in hip hop dances, crossing over genres of different types of hip hop. So today we're going to do a dash challenge because it's all isolation. And so I'm going to challenge you to record it, and maybe you can send it to me through my email, dsmith2@clevelandartsci.org. And I'd just love to see your examples of isolation. Maybe you could do this with your family members as well. Okay?